Hey guys, hey, just left Vegas. People playing with chips pissed me off so bad. I'm up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm watching people just gamble. I'm thinking to myself, they don't even have enough money to be gambling. Okay, people playing $50, $100, $500. I'm like, I got more money than everybody at the table, and they just wasting money. Okay, and I came home and I'm like, it's madness. I posted something online. I said, I want to know, if I was going to mentor you, what would you want to know? We had 500 plus comments in the first 30 minutes. And the thing that everybody said they want to know, what you think they said they want to know?
How to become a millionaire.
They said, how can I become a millionaire? Now I know some of you out there thinking, you want to be worth 10 million or 50 million or 100 million or even $1 billion. I know there's some Billy killers out there, okay? But the first thing we're going to do before you kill a Billy is we're going to show you how to get a Millie. Because you ain't getting to Billy Town without going to Millie Town. Now, I'm going to do this with you in a webinar for you. If you want to become a millionaire, I can't promise you, by the way, that you'll become a millionaire, but I can promise you this. I will share with you exactly the steps I took to be a millionaire at 33 years old, worth 10 million at 38 years old, and worth a couple 300 million today. Okay? Okay, hey guys, I want to talk to y'all about how to become a millionaire. Now these guys are on the phone every day. These guys and gals on the phone every day. They're making calls, they're handling objections, but the deal is this. If you don't have money motivation, you will not, in your lifetime, reach your full potential. Okay? So my goal after leaving Vegas, and after asking, hey, what do you want to learn? Okay, over 70% of the people mentioned money or this right here. Show me how to become a millionaire. You guys want to learn?
Yeah.
Come on. Good. Okay, I'm going to give you one little tip in front of my group right here. One little tip. Number one, commit. I'm going to give you more than one. Two, you got to ask this, who, not why. And number three, you got to ask why. Commit first. 1 mil. I'm going to show you how to do this in the webinar. 2, who's got your money? I need a list of everybody that's got more money than you have and or has less than you have, and we'll give it to you. You got to find out why they would give you money, and you got to deliver on that. Now, I'm going to show you how I did it. I came from nothing, okay? The only thing holding me back in the beginning was my think. I did not think I could become a millionaire because nobody around me had become a millionaire. Nobody was talking about being a millionaire. Everybody was talking about, oh man, you good where you at. You pay for your bills, be grateful you're not in China or Pakistan. You free. You're a free white man in America. That's what my mama told me once. She's like, you're white, you're educated, you got it made. I'm like, I can barely pay my bills. So you got to then ask who's got your money, and then where you're at right now. If you're making $1 million a year, I'll show you how to make 10, and I'll make you sick of a millionaire. A guy once told me, he's like, man, you got $1 million view at your house. I said, dude, you got to be kidding, bro. If I got $1 million view, I just lost $8 million. Another dude cut my hair today. He said I look like $1 million. I said I got to kill myself then. Shit, I should look like a couple $300 million, okay? Now, who's got my next level? That's what you got to know. Who's got that next level? And then you got to keep asking yourself this question over and over. Why? You trying to help a charity? You trying to help the community? You trying to change things? You trying to go to Mars? What's your new why? Why do I stay so excited? Well, everybody's like, dude, you're 60 years old and you're just jacked up all the time. Because I keep renewing my why. Because I'm never satisfied with my commitment. I know I can do more. I know you can do more. So at this webinar, this is going to be a webinar, okay? Limit the number of people, first come, first serve. This will not be open to the whole world, okay? If you don't have $49, you're not invited. If you can't find $49, you can't be there. So the first thing is, can you find 49 bucks from somebody? Because if you can't find $49, you'll never make it to step 2 anyway. Okay, so I'm not going to do it for free. I know there's a lot of free webinars out there. You guys don't even pay attention when you get there. This one's going to cost you $49. You go see Mission Impossible with the kids. By the way, it's a great movie. Well worth it. You should get it in Dolby. Cost me $49. That's how I came up with my $49 webinar. Made that up. Okay, so look, I'll tell you, hit the link below if you want to register. This will sell out. All my webinars sell out. Promise you it'll sell out in record time. I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I became a millionaire, where I started, how I started from zero, how I handled debt, how I used debt, when I paid off my college loans, how I started buying real estate, how I made sales, how I kept calling on people and finding out who's got my money, who will finance my second business, my third business. You guys that are making calls every day, they're financing your dreams. Quit thinking you're making a sales call. The guy on the other end is going to finance your dreams. Everything you want in your life, that guy on the other end is going to finance your dreams. So when you hang up in frustration, you're hanging up on your dreams with a bad attitude. Rather than saying, hey, that guy's going to fund my dreams, man. I might need to serve that guy a little bit right now. You could even tell him that. Hey, man, I know you're saying no right now, but I'm calling you back. Because everything I got, everything I want, you have. Okay, I just got to figure out how to solve your problems. Now, yesterday I did this Q&A thing on Instagram. One person asked a great question. I said, hey, what do you guys want? What do you guys need? One person out of over 500 people. In the first 30 minutes, I couldn't even get through them all. One guy says, Mr. Cardone, what do you need? Best question in the batch. Who? Who can you serve? How can you take care of somebody? What else can you do for people? That's why I do these webinars. I'm doing this webinar to find people, particularly people that don't have $49. You guys that don't have any money, you're in debt, you can't find $49. You're the ones I want to figure out how you can find $49, cross your fingers and hope. Maybe this is the one. Steve Spraying's here, he's set up for a millionaire. You hit a millionaire yet?
Me soon.
Okay,
Yep.
How old are you?
I'm 31.
31. Todd's here. Todd's on his way. Okay, Robards is in a freaking 25-time X better situation than he was. Tasha and their family are doing great. With how many kids y'all got?
We got 3.
How many are his? Come on, you know they ain't all his, okay? So look, I want all you guys to be millionaires. I need you guys buying the gas on my plane.
Yeah.
I know, I'm tired of paying for fuel. Yeah. Okay, so I'll see you guys at the webinar, all right?
Yeah.
Dude, look, there's only a couple reasons you won't come, by the way. Can't find the 49, because you're not committed, by the way. Okay, number two, you don't think it's going to work because you did other webinars and they didn't work. And maybe it won't work. It might not work. I know one thing, nothing's going to work for you if you quit. Okay? So you can quit, you could do nothing, or you could be like, I'm going to pull the trigger, put it on my card, I'm going to come to this deal, sit down, bring a legal pad. I'm telling you, bring a legal pad that big because I'll fill it up. I'll show you step by step what I did. I can't promise you it's going to work for you. I can't guarantee you're going to be a millionaire. This is definitely not about get rich quick. I don't believe in get rich quick. I've never done get rich quick. I can tell you I came from nothing. Walked out of a treatment facility when I was 25 years old, broke, in debt, with a job I hated. Okay, and today I have 7 businesses. None of them, by the way, did I use debt to start. Ideas. Got an idea? I want to monetize the idea. I want to make money from it, and then I want to repeat that process. Okay. The only business that I've raised money for is my real estate business, and we get loans from big banks. Okay, but this was my 5th business. Okay, this was like my 5th business. I just bought a deal today. Just went hard on this deal. Hard means I gave them $1 million, non-refundable. Can you see that deal? That deal's $95 million. God. Okay. Numbers don't lie. People exaggerate, people take pictures of bullshit they've never done and put it on Instagram. $95 million deal, okay? That's my 2nd deal I've closed this month. $800 million worth of real estate. Started it with nothing. This chip is worth more than the money I had when I was 25. So if you still believe in yourself and you can figure out how to make 2 hours, okay? And you can find $49. You can't even buy a clip for a Glock for $49. You can find $49. You come with an open mind, come with a couple of pens or pencils, take your notes. I guarantee I'll make it worth your while. I can't guarantee you'll be a millionaire, but I can tell you this. I'll show you exactly what I did to do it for myself, and I'll show you what I've done for other people. Jared's here. Dale, 53 years old. Dale had $53. 53 years old, had $53. 2 kids and a bad marriage, and that dude's worth $15 million today. Jared Glant, 28 years old, came to me broke, in debt. He's worth about $4 million today, okay? Steve Sprayner's on his way. I got guys all around me, my whole office. I got Robert Sislow in there, Banana Republic boy. Okay, never had more than $80. I think he's got 80 grand in a bank account. You want in? You want to do it? You want me to mentor you? You want me to show you how to become a millionaire? Look in my eyes. Get in here real close. Now you decide, because I have.
Baby.